Outstanding design defines the 2003 Subaru Impreza. This four-door, five-passenger wagon provides exceptional value. Subaru made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Subaru infused the interior with top-shelf amenities, such as one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, front fog lights, remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and air conditioning. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Subaru ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Sophisticated all-wheel drive technology maintains a firm grip on the road. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.